Sa mga gusto dyan magbabook ng hosting ko, tumatanggap pa naman po ako. Samahan niyo na ako mag-host. Let's go!
Walang dull moment for them.
Hi mga ka-love-love, and we're here sa ating event for today. Mayroon akong client from Australia. Sana. Grabe talaga. And samahan niyo ako ngayong araw kasi may events tayo. Ako mag-host. Cleanse ng face. Tatanong ba't nag-host pa din ako? Siyempre, this is my passion. And alam niyo naman na bago pa kami magkakilala ni Cha, ito na yung bread and butter ko. Dito na ako nakikilala. Dito na ako nagpupursige. When I was college, so I'm doing this for a long time. And this is one thing I love. Even I have a family or I have contents and vlogs, so on. So, I with my PA. Ayan siya. So, start na tayo mag-makeup kasi mag-start na rin maya-maya yung program. So, nakakatuwa kasi yung mga gamit ko ngayon, medyo may brand na, upgraded na. Kung titingnan nyo, ayan yung mga branded na makeup natin. We have Dior, yan, Fenty Beauty, Laura Mercier, MAC, and everything. Dati, nilalait ako nito. Dati nilalait ako nitong nanay-nanayan ko. Nilalait niya ako na ang papangit daw ng makeup kit ko. Kita na daw yung lata, which is totoo. Totoo talaga. Nilalait nila ako din na ano. Kita na yung lata nung press powder mo. Ganon sila sa akin kalalait. O ngayon, laitin nyo kung yun ay kita bang lata. Hindi bago pa yan. Pwede pa yan. So, nakakatuwa lang na yung pinagmulan natin na malayo pa, pero malayo-layo na din. Yung parang nakuha yung ay, sorry! Ito. Igit po ata igit. So guys, dun nga pala sa mga nagtatanong kung saan ako bumibili ng makeup brands, dito sa shop na to sa Instagram, dyan. Maganda yung mga gamit niya dyan. Original and very mabait ang seller. Maganda ang transaction, walang kuskus balungos. Very easy. Magbabayad ka lang, gusto ng anong gusto mong item, brands, original, authentic. Si Chapo ay wala po ngayon, nasa duty po siya, and si Dior po ay nasa lola tita niya, and kailangan ko po mag-work. So this is a day in a life as your event host. Yeah. So sa mga gusto dyan magpabook kay Cha, sa mga gusto dyan magpabook ng hosting ko, tumatanggap pa naman po ako. And pwede naman po kayo mag-inquire sa aking personal Facebook page.
2.5 lang po ang budget na.
2.5 the hosting. Go lang. Hello lang yun. Charot lang. Oo. Laban pa ako dyan. So mga gusto po mag-inquire, mag-book ng ating mga services. Meron po ako mga wedding packages, hair and makeup, hosting, organizing the event. I got you guys. So, almost done na tayo mga love-love. Nagkakagulo na tayo dito sa ating ano. And nakapag-rehearse na din ako. Sobrang ganda ng ating celebrant mga mi. Opa!
Mas maganda ka pa rin.
Asus ko syempre naman. Mana sa'yo. So, ayan. Hintayin niyo ako, magdadamit na ako. Bye. So, this is my outfit for today. Yes. So, ito po yung outfit ko for today. Nakuha ko lang po ito sa United Kingdom. Okay lang to. And then, ito yung boots kong matagal na. Gamit ko pa ito nung magkilala kami ni Cha nung college ako, nung nag-host ako. This one is from Instaroom. Iiwan ko lang yung link sa comment section at click ang yellow basket. And my accessories is from H&M. And my makeup, ayan. St. Peter Lifeline. My makeup is from St. Peter. My client, ay pasabog! Grabe, ang ganda ng buhok. Ang ganda ng outfit. Ang bango talaga. Versace na baka naman. Let's go!
Welcome to Irish Active Tea. Hope you were here tonight. How watched her grow over the years into a wonderful person she's now. By the way, my name is Denzel Stone King, and I will be your host for tonight. Isang masigapong palakpakan! Thank you so much for having me. Dalian natin. Medyo nagkakaroon ng scientific explanation eh. Anong favorite color ng ating celebrant? Go!
So ayan, kailangan po natin kumita ng pera. Trabaho, trabaho, trabaho.
To 0! 10,000? 0, 2, 0, 1, 1! Grabe! Pasabog! Ng 10,000 MPH power bank! 10,000! Ang smooth, ang bilis. Hindi ko alam ba't napa-agree ako nito sa sobrang busy ko sa schedule. And I'm so happy to be part of this wonderful celebration. This is one of the happy celebration that I have. Kasi yung cooperation ng mga guests. I will say! Maligaya, maligaya, maligaya. Happy birthday! Congratulations to our newlyweds! You deserve the love and to be loved. Thank you so much for having me, and I hope you have fun for tonight's celebration. Walang uuwi, tuloy-tuloy po ang ating kasiyahan. Thank you so much for having me. Once again, my name is Denzel Stone King, your host, now signing off.
Hi there everyone, my name's Bruce and I'm Irish's husband has just had her 50th birthday. We've had an absolute fantastic time, and if it wasn't for Denzel, I don't think it would be as great. He really put the world into this. He pushes it and everyone enjoys it and happy. We had a fantastic time. And thanks very much to Denzel who brought it together. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Bruce.
You're welcome.
Hi, Kalab, my God, my party is really fabulous. Thank you so much for Dance, Kalab Dance, for making this day possible. He is really a good host, and I recommended him for guys. Talagang walang dull moment for dance. For Love Dance. Thank you.